Hey you? Yes, you, watching this right now. I see you. You're not just another viewer. You're someone with big dreams. Someone who's ready to take control of their future. Maybe you're 18, fresh out of high school, or 40, feeling like you've missed the boat. Spoiler alert, you haven't. Investing isn't just for Wall Street suits or trust fund kids. It's for you. And I'm here to break it down, step by step, with no jargon, no fluff, just real, actionable advice that can change your life. Let's start with a story. 10 years ago, I was drowning in debt. I had $200 in my bank account, a dead-end job, and a dream that felt impossible. I wanted freedom. Freedom to travel, to live without fear of the next bill. But I was clueless about money. Then one night, I stumbled across a book on investing. It wasn't sexy, but it was a spark. I started small. $50 here, $100 there. Today, my investments pay for my life. That's not bragging. That's proof that anyone can do this. And I'm going to show you how. First, let's bust the biggest myth. You don't need a fortune to start investing. You don't need $10,000 or a finance degree. You can start with $10. Yes, $10. Apps like Robinhood, Acorns, or Wealthfront let you invest with pocket change. But here's the emotional hook. Every dollar you invest is a seed. Plant it today, water it with patience, and watch it grow into a tree that shades your future. Imagine this. You invest $100 today in a simple index fund. Historically, the stock market averages 7 to 10% annual returns. In 30 years, that $100 could grow to $1,000, maybe more. That's not a get-rich-quick scheme. That's math working its magic. Now, let's talk mindset. Investing isn't just about money. It's about belief. Belief in yourself. You're not just buying stocks. You're buying into your future. But fear will creep in. It did for me. What if the market crashes? What if I lose everything? Here's the truth. Fear is normal, but letting it stop you is a choice. The stock market has survived wars, recessions, pandemics, and it's still here, growing. The key? Start small, stay consistent, and think long-term. That's how you beat fear and build wealth. Let's get practical. Step 1. Set a goal. Why are you investing? Is it to buy a house, retire early, travel the world? Picture it. Feel it. Maybe it's you, sipping piña coladas on a beach at 45, debt-free, stress-free. That vision will keep you going. Step 2. Learn the basics. You don't need to be Warren Buffett, but understand these terms: stocks, bonds, ETFs, mutual funds. Stocks are like owning a piece of a company. Think Apple or Tesla. Bonds are like lending money to the government or companies. ETFs and mutual funds, they're baskets of stocks or bonds, spreading your risk. Google these, watch a few videos, and you're already ahead of 90% of people. Step 3. Open an account. Use apps like Fidelity, Vanguard, or even Cash App. They're user-friendly and designed for beginners. Step 4. Invest regularly. Set up automatic deposits. Even $25 a month adds up. This is called dollar cost averaging, and it's your secret weapon. When the market dips, you buy more shares at a discount. When it rises, your portfolio grows. It's like planting seeds every month, no matter the weather. Now let's talk about the emotional roller coaster. Investing isn't a straight line. The market will dip and your heart will sink. I remember my first market crash. My portfolio dropped 20% in a week. I panicked, wanted to sell everything. But I didn't. Why? Because I trusted the process. Historically, the market always recovers. Always. Look at 2008, 2020. Those who stayed invested came out stronger. So, when fear hits, zoom out. Focus on the long game. Your future self will thank you. Here's a pro tip. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your money across stocks, bonds, real estate funds, maybe even crypto if you're feeling bold. Diversification is like wearing a seatbelt. It doesn't prevent crashes, but it keeps you safe. And don't chase trends. Meme stocks, hot tips from TikTok. They're gambling, not investing. Stick to boring, proven strategies like index funds. They're not flashy, but they're the backbone of millionaires. Let's talk millions. Can you really make millions? Yes, but it takes time. If you invest $500 a month at an 8% return, in 40 years, you could have over $1.5 million. That's not a fantasy, that's compound interest. Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world, and he wasn't wrong. Start at 25, and by 65, you're a millionaire. Start at 35, and you're still in the game. The key is starting now. Every day you wait is money you're leaving on the table. But here's the real hook. Investing isn't just about money, it's about freedom. Freedom to quit a toxic job, to chase your passion, to live life on your terms. Imagine waking up without an alarm, knowing your investments are paying your bills. That's the dream we're chasing. And it's not just for you, it's for your family, your kids, your legacy. Every dollar you invest today is a brick in the foundation of their future. Now, a word of caution. Avoid scams. If someone promises you millions overnight, run. Real wealth takes time, discipline, and learning. And you don't need to do it alone. Join online communities, read books like The Intelligent Investor, watch channels like mine, surround yourself with knowledge, and you'll never feel lost. So, what's next? Take action. Today, open that account, invest that $10, set that goal. You're not just investing money, you're investing in you. And trust me, you're the best investment you'll ever make. I believe in you. The question is, do you believe in yourself?